Now, once you get to that point of MMI, maximum medical improvement, if you have a permanent problem, you're entitled to more money.
Okay.
The amount of money depends on a bunch of factors.
And that would be a function of an opinion expressed by the physician?
Yes. Essentially what you would have to do is get a permanent impairment rating from a physician.
Okay.
It could be your treating physician. It could be a physician that somebody sends you to.
Mm-hmm.
And I can send you to 4 different physicians and get 4 different impairment ratings for the exact same condition.
Mm-hmm.
So that's something we commonly argue about. But once you get an impairment rating, you're entitled to more money for what we call the permanent disability.
Mm-hmm.
And then that money depends on several factors. One is the impairment rating. Obviously, the higher the impairment rating, the more money you get. Another is your average weekly wage. The higher your average weekly wage, the more money you get.
Mm-hmm.
Whether or not you can go back to your old job, if you go back to your old job, you get less. If you can't go back to your old job or decide not to for whatever reason, you get more. So, and there's a couple other factors: age, education, and a couple other little factors that are computed in there. But it's essentially a formula that we put all these factors into, and we come out with a number. And we can argue about every part of the formula, even the person's age. I've had that come up with folks that were born in another country where we couldn't verify their age, and they gave 2 or 3 different ages for employment reasons. So we can argue about every one of these things, even though you think some of them would be pretty easy to figure out.
All right.